Okay, I just finished voting. I just finished casting my vote for this year's election. And I feel so bad because yung receipt, di ba we can validate naman once lumabas yung receipt. We can validate kung tama yung pagkakabasa ng machine. And tama naman sa akin for most of my votes except for the senators. Receipt reflected na may overvote ako for senators. Samantalang 11 lang naman ang binoto ko. I've heard some stories about yung ink nung pen nagbablot sa other names. Warning na lang dun sa magkakast pa lang ng vote to check yung pagkaka-shade. Make sure na dry yung ni-shade nyo because chances are baka mag-blot. Notice, meron talaga ako na binoto na letter D ang apelido. And then nakita ko, pagkabaliktad ko, kasi for the party list, vote ako sa likod. And then, when I turned it over again, nag-blot talaga yung ink niya. Konti lang naman, pero may nahagip sa circle para sa another candidate whose surname starts also with a D. Ayoko doon sa senator na yun. So, but anyway, yun lang, just a warning for everyone na magboboto pa lang, may several hours pa to vote. Really, i-dry nyo muna yung papel na shinadan nyo just to make sure na hindi magbablot yung ink. Nainis ako na hindi mabilang yung vote ko for my top 3 senators. So, ikampanya ko na lang sila for the rest of the day. Pwede ba dito? Iboto nyo utang na loob. Yun lang.